Hello! Roscón de Reyes is a typical Spanish Christmas sweetbread that's eaten on the 6th of January during the celebration of the Three Wise Men. If you're interested in learning more about this celebration, there is a short story at the end of the video. We need some preparation, so plan ahead and make the pre-fermented dough on the day before. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Knead the dough, make a ball and cover with cling film. Add the orange and lemon zest, cinnamon and milk to a saucepan. Heat it and leave it to boil about 5 minutes, stirring from time to time. Remove from the hob and set aside to cool down into room temperature. Sieve the milk, add the liquid flavorings and weight it. The total should be 120 grams. If it's less, add water to get a total of 120 grams. Get the pre-fermented dough out of the fridge. Put the flour and yeast in a big bowl and the pre-fermented dough cut in small pieces. Add the sugar, eggs, and the milk infusion, mixing all well. Knead with your hands for around 5 minutes until you get a sticky dough. Now add the salt and keep kneading for 5 minutes. Cover and leave to rest. Add the diced butter and mix it with your hands. Leave to rest for a couple of minutes. Put the dough in the table and knead for at least 10 minutes. This dough is sticky, it will get a bit softer after kneading it. Make a ball and leave it to rest. Dust some flour on the ball, pick it up and put it in a tray with parchment paper. Using the thumbs, make a hole in the middle. Wrap the dough in the air. Its weight will help you to stretch it slowly. We want to make the hole bigger and create the shape of a big O. Put the round dough in the tray. The thickness of the dough should be even on all sides. Beat an egg to make egg wash and brush the surface of your dough. Cover it with a cloth, but put something on top so it doesn't get stuck to your dough. Leave it to rest for about 1.5 hours. The dough should grow and roughly double in size. Turn on the oven, preheat at 180 degrees Celsius. Brush the surface of your dough with egg wash and decorate with your ingredients. The roscon that you buy from the bakery are usually decorated with candied fruits, red, green and orange, but they are difficult to make at home and we don't really enjoy them, so we prefer to decorate our roscon with almonds and sugar. Cook around 15 to 20 minutes at 180 or 190 degrees. Have a look after 15 minutes, as depending on the oven it may need a bit more time to cook. Check with a toothpick. When it comes out clean, the dough is baked. The dough should be well cooked and the inside should look similar to bread or brioche. Our roscon is ready. You can eat it while enjoying a hot chocolate. This sponge is so soft that it bounces back when you press it. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas!